Happy Wednesday, DCS. I hope you are all doing well. And I also hope you enjoyed yesterday's weather forecast, courtesy of meteorologist Benny Aguilar. Shout out. And that you were also able to do the entry ticket and activity that I posted on Monday. So basically, during the week up until when we are supposed to go on break, I will go ahead and send you your daily dose of science because I know how much you are all missing school right now. The announcements for today is that this Sunday, the 22nd, is World Water Day. So check out the link that I posted on the agenda to find out different ways that you could celebrate World Water Day. And I also want to give a shout out to Kate Valencia, London Casara, and our guest teacher, Miss I, for watching over the class rabbits, hermit crabs, and Sharpie during this time. All right, so for Benny's weather report, again, be sure to check out the link attached to the agenda. And also don't forget to be working on your weather journals. The essential question he posted was, what is weather? So you should all know the answer to this, and I will discuss the answer tomorrow. The question of the week is, what are earthquakes? And the fun fact is that there are 2,000 thunderstorms with lightning each day. Be sure to email Benny Aguilar with any weather questions that you may have. All right, so the entry ticket that I posted on Monday was, how does the sun and ocean affect the weather? So shout outs to Caitlin Hellman, Mustafa Miri, Naomi Shi, and Caitlin Wen for sending me their answers and also their I wonders. So the answer is basically that the sun affects the weather because it's the heat from the sun that causes evaporation. The ocean affects the weather because it stores the sun's heat and distributes this heat and moisture caused by evaporation around the planet. Both of these actions in turn drive our weather systems. And the I wonders. So the first one by Miss Caitlin Hellman is, what was the hottest temperature ever recorded in Texas? And the answer is that it was 120 degrees Fahrenheit in the town of Seymour in August of 1936 and in Monahans in June of 1994. Next up, we have Naomi Shi. Her question was, what if land was ocean and ocean was land? And the answer to this, in short, is, since we are dealing and learning about weather at the moment, that aside from the multiple consequences to life as we know it, we essentially would most likely have droughts because of the reduction in the Earth's water, which would in turn lead to more dust storms. So that's just sort of scratching the surface with what would happen if water and land switched. And last but not least, we have Caitlin Wen, and her question was, how fast can rain fall from the sky? So light showers can fall as fast as 14 miles per hour, or since we are scientists and we do work with a metric system, that is about 22.5 kilometers per hour. Now, the largest possible raindrops can fall as quickly as 20 miles per hour, or 32 kilometers per hour. All right, moving on to the science activity. So based on the video that you guys watched previously, isn't it amazing what proportion of salt, fresh, and frozen water are on the planet? And also, having watched why tornadoes are so hard to predict, I want you to tell me your thoughts and questions about this. So for today's mini lesson, it is about what's worse, a hurricane or a tornado. So be sure to check on the link attached to the agenda to check out that video. And in closing, so as you know, I've posted these on YouTube now, so it's easier to access in case you don't have something where you can read the agendas I post, and just in case you also just prefer to listen and watch instead of read. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to be informed every time there's a new video. But again, everything I give on this report is the exact same thing that I post on the actual agenda that you can read. It's your choice, whatever is easiest for you. All right, so in closing, loud and proud, DCS, Falcon Pride, Falcon Pride! All right, see you guys tomorrow. Take care.